Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Now you're probably wondering, Jack, what is this free cam ham fucking vlog style video you got going on? It's a very special kind of video on the channel today. We're filming at Elro warehouse projects. We're helping out with the official Elro team, getting some clips for them, and we've also been booked by a DJ to go shoot her set. So we're going to go do that at the moment. I'm going to run through my camera bag, what I'm taking with me, because you guys always wonder, you know, what do I take with me to live events, especially nightclubs. We've got to get there for 11. I'm going to be there till about 2, 3, depending on when her sets ends. Don't know yet, but yeah, it's going to be a good time. I'll run through what I've got in the bag, and then once that's over, I'll see you at the venue. So yeah, let's jump straight into the bag. Pretty basic today. I mean, you know, we've got the 17 to 50mm on the Nikon Z6. This is a very good camera body in low light. You can go up to 8000 ISO. We're taking the Rode Video Mic Pro. This is the best one for nightclubs because you can filter out the bass and shit. You can go to -10 dB. You've got a high pass filter on it. This is a very good microphone. And we're also taking a 70 to 200mm to get some tight up shots of the DJs in the main room, because the main room is humongous. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, normally I like to keep it very light when I'm doing nightclubs and live events, especially nightclubs, because you're dealing with a lot of drunk idiots. You know, stuff might get stolen. You don't want to take all of your expensive equipment, so just leave it at that. And well, yeah, that's about it now. So we're going to go help the official team at Elro get some clips, because the man down. I'm going, might as well get paid. Being booked by a DJ in one of the smaller rooms, so we're going to start off in the main room, and then we're going to go shoot the DJ in the smaller room. And yeah, it's going to be a good time, so I'll catch you guys when we actually arrive at the venue. Okay guys, we just landed the warehouse project. Kudos to my dad for filming me, being my videographer. But so we just landed. We're going to go meet the artist, and then we're going to go in and start some mayhem, so I'll see you there. Got hard for an extra 2. Networking, but that's just a quick day in the life, I guess. Guys, shooting a live event with me, so absolutely knackered. Gonna go home, gonna edit some stuff, and then I'll see you on the next video.